October 26 was a pretty short day for us. Super chill lang ng morning kasi we really took our time getting ready. Kaya mga 11 a.m. na kami naka-arrive sa Umeda Sky Building. Kasama siya sa 2-day Osaka Amazing Pass namin. So super sulit kasi covered na yung entrance, pati na rin yung buses and trains na sinakyan namin papunta doon. Nagdala kami ng luggage kasi we were expecting na may matinding shopping na mangyayari that day. Pero plot twist, hindi siya natuloy dahil may konting issue. So quick tip lang, if pupunta kayo sa Omega Sky Building, hindi allowed ang luggage at malalaking bags sa taas. Pero don't worry kasi may coin lockers naman sa baba. If pupunta kayo sa observation deck, ang entrance ay sa East Tower. Yung kabilang tower naman is where you'll find the Koji Kinotani Tenku Art Museum. After namin sa deck, bumaba kami ng 1 floor for some coffee and snacks. Perfect pang pahinga and muni-muni moment. For our late lunch, kumain lang kami sa baba ng building. Malapit kung saan namin iniwan yung luggage. Super interesting ng area kasi may old Japanese street vibes. Tapos halos walang tao. Parang kami lang yung nandun. After that, grabe. Ang haba ng nilakad namin papunta sa train station. Dito na medyo nagkaroon ng konting tension kasi hindi kami pare-pareho ng route preference. So nag-decide na lang kami na maghiwalay muna for our next destination. Kami ni Katong at Mama pumunta kami sa America Mura and did our second round of shopping sa ibang Don Quixote branch. Unfortunately, nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Meanwhile, sina Ate Kais bumalik sa Dotonbori for a mini food fest. So here are some clips of the food that they've tried.